JunyTony.
What's wrong, Santa? Why do you look so anxious?
There are more Christmas presents to give out to children this year. But I'm too old now. I'm not sure if I can do it all by myself. Aha! I can ask JunyTony for help! JunyTony!
Choopy-choopy-choopy-choo! JunyTony are here for you! Santa, we brought a magic sleigh
And a big drone to deliver the presents.
Ho, ho, ho! That is amazing! Shall we get started?
Let's go! Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight! Yeah! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight! Yeah! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Thank you, JunyTony! It was a magical